Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's finally that day where I'm going to dig up the potatoes. Some of these plants still look fairly healthy, but it's time. They're starting to wilt somewhat. I don't think we're going to get any more potato out of them. This row over here, you can see, the plants are just completely gone. And I'd rather just come in here and dig them all up at one time and just be done with it. I can run my tiller through here, and that part of the garden will be done. I kind of doubt this year that we're going to do as well as we did, say, last year, because we had such a cold spring that the potatoes went in like 3 weeks later than usual, and then it warmed up really fast. And I'm still going to do good. I'm still going to have plenty of potatoes. I just don't think I'm going to do quite as good as I've done last year and probably the year before also. I can't even exactly remember what types I planted. I know over here I've got reds. Over here they were yellows, and I know I've got purples back there, and I think I have purples on both sides. Well, I have all the reds and all the yellows all dug up. It's getting late here, but I think I still have time to get the purple ones dug up and see how they did. Well, I have them all dug up now, and just like I thought, I have a smaller yield than last year, but still plenty of potatoes. So earlier this spring I planted a total of 42 potatoes into the ground. Now I'm going to go ahead and count these. I'm not going to count the real little ones that aren't, they're just tiny, but I'll count and see how many we ended up with. Well, we have 153 of the red potatoes. 114 of the yellow potatoes, and 55 of the purple potatoes. So 42 potatoes that I planted yielded 322 potatoes. That's not bad. I still have part of a 5-gallon bucket of the potatoes that I picked last year, which was just about a year ago. I think it was about 10 days earlier that I picked them last year than I did this year. And you can see, you could grab these and put them in the ground and they would grow. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.